Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the Lookfantastic July. Think so. Yeah, this is the July Lookfantastic. So if you guys want to see what we got this month, thank you for watching. Wow, July. Really? I got this earlier. I was filming a tutorial on the makeup look I'm wearing right now. I think that's already up. If you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, watch this video till the end because I'm going to put a video card, whatever that is called, you know, at the end of the video. I'm going to have that. So, the camera doesn't really pick the color. I mean, in my viewfinder, it looks a little bit too washed out. Anyway, let's see what they sent. I don't know why I did that. Glowy skin is always in. Yes, honey, you see the skin right here? You see that glow? Yes, we love dewy, glowy looking skin. If you have dry skin like me, you know what's the deal. So I guess they don't send the info card anymore. I'm not gonna be able to tell you guys the prices, right? Anyway, let's start with this brush because this catches my eyes. This is from So Eco. I thought this is Eco Tools. Anyway, this is the So Eco. So I got the eye shading brush made from compostable and recyclable materials. This is super soft and cruelty free. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. This is just a flat brush. I will use this to pack the shimmers or maybe to cut the crease. So yeah, very cute. Next I'm seeing another product from this brand. We got this brand before. We got the Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist. I don't really like it. It's like, this is an eye cream, but I apply this all over my face because I don't know, I feel like it does nothing for my skin. It's not that I don't like it, I feel like it doesn't work for me, I don't know. So we got the Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream. Oh, night cream. This is for all skin types and it says organic skincare, Mádara. Overnight renewal for radiant complexion. Okay, deep moisture, let's see. So this has 25 milliliters and it feels very nice. I want to smell this. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, let's smell it. I love when the products came sealed. Oh, it smells exactly like the eye cream. It says, this rejuvenating night cream helps to prevent signs of aging. The easily absorbed formulation treats your skin for a well-rested and radiant complexion. It has vitamin C and E, revitalizing botanicals, and hyaluronic acid. Okay, Mádara. I guess it's Mádara. I don't know. Sorry. Moving on, we have some hair supplements. Hair, skin, and nails. This is by the brand Myvitamins. We got the, I don't know, the so famous gummy bears, hair, I don't know, I forgot the name. And that was a 15-day supplies. I didn't repurchase that and honestly I didn't saw any results. I mean, in 50 days you won't see basically anything. Take 2 capsules daily. So yeah, again we have a 15-day supply. In my opinion, I feel like this is pointless. I don't know why Lookfantastic does this. There's plenty of makeup, skincare, hair care, whatever care out there. I feel like they should avoid, you know, vitamins, because if I don't want to purchase this, they should provide a full month supply so you can see some results. But either way, I feel like you won't see any results only if you use this for 1 month. I feel like you need to stay consistent for, I don't know, at least 3 months so you can see some results. I don't know why Lookfantastic does this. I mean, there's plenty of other products out there. I don't like when I get vitamins, okay? I don't know if I'm going to... I don't know if I'm going to take them. I feel like I'm moving way too fast because I don't have the card to read about this product and also to tell you the prices. But anyway, we have 3 more products to go. I'm going to go with this one. This is the MONUspa Rose and Lemon Enriched Body Cream. Marine collagen and vitamins A, E, and B5, all skin types. Massage into skin after bathing or showering. Skin feels soft, smooth, and nourished. I want to smell this so bad. Ooh! Oh, it smells nice. It smells like lemon, definitely, and a little bit of rose. I'm going to try this. Oh, that was my stomach. Oh, a little bit goes a long way. This feels like a body butter, but it's already absorbed. Oh wow, it smells so good. We have a lipstick or a lip gloss. This is by Sleek Makeup. I don't know what was that. So this is by Sleek Makeup. This is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. I did try their formula before and it's a good formula. So this is in the shade Bittersweet. I think I already had this like back in the days. I feel like nobody talks about Sleek Makeup. They have some bomb products. Smells like, I don't know, lipstick? Oh, such a cute rosy color. What? No, I didn't have this. This is cute and I think this is only 6 euros or so. As I said, Sleek Makeup is so affordable and their products are thebomb.com. Last but not least, we have the Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum by the brand Thisworks. We got a product from Thisworks a while ago. It was a sleeping spray. Oh my god, that really worked. It smelled like lavender. I don't know if I still have that. I feel like my cat messes with my stuff and stuff disappears in this house. Anyway, so I used to spray that on the pillows before bed, and I'm not that person that falls asleep immediately. I need to stop thinking. I need to, you know, relax my body, my mind, my brain. Anyway, so yeah, I don't fall asleep that easy, but when I'm using that spray, oh my god, it does wonders. So yeah, I feel like this brand really works. Like they say it works, and it really works. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C helps plump and brighten morning skin. Massage into skin on face and neck each morning to maximize plumping effect. Made in the UK. This is sealed again. This is absolutely amazing. Oh yeah, this is like water. I mean, it's serum. Oh, it smells very fresh, like plants. Alright, so I guess that's it. This is all we got in July. Lookfantastic. July? June. Did I say July in the... Is June? No, it's July. Okay, it's July, right? I don't know what to say. I'm excited to try the creams. The brush is okay. The lipstick is so beautiful, but the vitamins is a pass for me. So again, I'm going to have the prices down below, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you guys got the same product as me. Okay? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. You can click here or here, I don't know where, to watch the tutorial on this makeup look. Bitch, I shaved yesterday, okay? I mean, I didn't shave, I used my epilator. So I twist. This is so good. What is this? Jarritos? By the way, I'm red because I struggled to put this necklace on. I can do shit with these nails. Anyway, I still love them.